Hello friends, welcome to BSc Agriculture. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to see about fundamentals of biochemistry. I am going to tell about Unit 2 and the lecture topic is lipids occurrence and its classification. So first of all, what is lipids? So lipids are nothing but the source of energy for the cell in any living organism. So it can be found in cell membrane structures as well as the functions of lipids are involved in the metabolic functions such as production of hormones and vitamins to the living organism. So while seeing how it is occurred in the body, it is derived from a Greek word lipos, which means fat. So there are heterozygous group of components which is insoluble in water as a soluble in non-polar solvents. So while seeing they occur in plants and animals as storage and structural compounds, so structural lipids in the form of meat and vegetables as well as the storage fats in the form of milk and adipose tissue in oil seeds. So while seeing what are the importance of lipids, so lipids are used to give twice as much as energy per unit weight of protein as or else carbohydrates. So they are used to known as anhydrous due to non-polar nature, whereas carbohydrates are heavily hydrated due to polar nature. So the lipids are non-polar in nature as well as the carbohydrates are polar in nature. So while seeing the presence of lipid in diet contribute palatability. So contribute palatability in two ways. Induces olfactory response, namely taste in the mouth and aroma to the nose, as well as they also contribute the texture to the food and is responsible for the mouth feel. So these are the diet contribution of lipids in our living organism systems. So they are used to supply essential fatty acids, so which is non-synthesized in human beings but which are essential for the growth of human beings. They are used to essentially absorption of fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K from the intestines of our body. So the enzymes required lipid molecules for maximum activity is mainly given by the lipids. So the lipids are used to act as a main source for the production of enzymes such as microbial enzyme glycose-6-phosphate as well as mitochondrial enzyme beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. And in cholesterol, which is a precursor of lipids, they are adrenaline. Cholesterol has a precursor such as adrenal corticosteroids, sex hormones, vitamin D3, calciferol. So they are located as subcutaneous, it is known as, or else it acts as a insulation. So subcutaneous lipid deposit also insulate the important organs against mechanical trauma of the human body. So the lipids are classified into simple lipids, compound lipids as well as derived lipids. So the simple lipids, are fatty acids. So they are known as glycerol or long chain alcohols which is monohydric in nature. So the simple lipids also includes fats, oils and waxes. And the second one is compound lipids or complex lipids. Example, esters of fatty acids as well as alcohol. And the compound groups used to have additional groups such as CHO or else protein or else phosphoric acid in their complexes. So the third one is derived lipids. So the derived lipids are derived from simple or compound lipids by the process of hydrolysis in our human body. So the derived lipids include alcohol, fatty acids, aldehyde, ketone, sterol as well as hydrocarbons. So the first of all we are going to see simple lipids, fats and oils. They are mostly triglycerols, which are the simple lipids constructed from fatty acids and glycerols. So the simple lipids are also referred as triglycerides, fats or else neutral fats. So these are mainly composed of three fatty acids esterified to 3-hydroxyl group of glycerols. You can able to see the structure of triglycerides, which is obtained from glycerol with the fatty acids in the hydrolysis process. The simple and mixed triglycerols. The simple triglycerols, when 3 fatty acid molecules are of same kind, is combined to form a triglycerol, as well as mixed triglycerol, where process 2 or more different fatty acids are combined to process such triglycerol. So they are neutral or oily, which are mostly composed of mixed triacyl glycerols. So mostly oil producing plants store their lipids in the form of triacyl glycerols. So on the we are going to see fats and oils. The fats, which is a triglycerol that are solid in room temperature and which are rich in saturated fatty acids, and oils, which are triglycerols which are liquid at room temperature, which are unsaturated fatty acids. So I have given the lecture notes in the description. You can able to keep it for your exams. So if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BSc Agriculture and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you. I will catch you up in next videos.